is a psychological thriller manga series that follows Dr. Kenzo Tenma, a renowned brain surgeon who saves the life of a young boy over the life of a mayor, leading to disastrous consequences. The boy, named Johan, turns out to be a serial killer with a mysterious past, and Tenma's decision sets him on a dangerous path of obsession and redemption. As Tenma tries to uncover Johan's true identity and unravel the web of conspiracies surrounding him, he finds himself in a deadly game of cat and mouse with the very monster he tried to save. All in all, Monster Manga 2004 is a captivating and thought-provoking manga that will leave you on the edge of your seat. Stay vigilant and don't forget the next adventure is just a page away.